amakuru marungi gukwatiraho amaka ana nashatu omuri kigaragara district nisinjiro cyabaho obwempabuwezi bete ba president ba Compassion International babatayire omwanya ogu okonja kureba abo na mnonga abeji abatoni bakwatiraho okumaraho emyaka 9.
Take it as a great opportunity, and we thank God for all that He's using the diocese to reach out to many lives in this diocese.
Are from different religious faiths.
Oktaya yuku kwatanchira alchigaragara Church of Uganda CDC eji eri hansi y'obureberezi bwa Nkole Diocese.
Abanyankore bingi baratungira ente warebo ine kiraro kitari munyena na nenu minto nari kitari muncho wa mutwe kirimu ebicura byonka omanye ngunyencha kari ye kiraro cyawe tero mbwe nitwe ekanisa etari mu bana bato etari mu buhereza bw'abana bato ne kanise fili abanyencha haterwo nebasa kuba hunyencha kare konkanyencha nebasa kuba hati konkanyencha kare ne betaro
abajenyi bete ba sponsor abajumahanga nka Mexico, Italy, UK, America, Korea, Australia na Uganda.
Being with you is being with God and being with you too, because we are the body of Christ. So what can I say? Thank you so much.
Obwezi obakuza konje omwanya ogu okuljara Compassion International okurabira omuri Nkole Diocese abana barengere omuri 10 hati 40 no kubakwatira okumara emyaka 22 cyakumbye obwegise bwombeka okushirira abazire ekyo kukora cyongera ntasya n'ebindi benshi.
Ebi turi gukora aha project tukora liquid soap, tukora enkwanzi, bracelets, kaka kinjwire, if you can see it very well, tubwekora tukore nkito, tukora mashweta marungi na niwo wijo kagareba noshemererwa abana mbabazire cyarane cyebjere mbwene tusima habwa support rukunga netyo kandi ebyo nabiretwa sponsorship funds.
No bibina byakorwa bwanyumyaka 22 aba nabo kurwa mu project bashabazire okosakiraka nabo okwehangiraho echokora
zire umurimo gwe no kureba ngo mwana yatunga ibyo kumukwasa yana rugumuka n'ibijwaro n'ibindi byo kurya no kureba ngo yamunabisa namizi yagateka yanywa mizi gatekire yarebwa ngo tiyarebeka kubi ahamagarage umubyumbiro no byaheze.
Aba TV West ndisenyomo Gideon omuri kigaragara isinjiro.
Thank you.